Previously, in the Himalayas, he became stronger through adversity and delivered a message to everyone. The hungry stomach was also full. But... wait a minute. My face is... What? Oh no! My face is messed up! I'm the chairman of Atomy. I have to sell cosmetics. Let's see. Ah, my most precious treasure! Moisture elasticity, brightening glow, elastic lifting, even anti-aging! Anytime, anywhere, I can't be light on my skin! Ah, I forgot. With Synergy Ampule EP Skin Booster. I can't miss it for my skin. Be absorbed, be absorbed, be absorbed! Oh, yes, yes, yes!